Guys, it's time for a new update video on the Bitcoin price because as I told you yesterday, as long as we are not closing our 4-hourly candle exactly above the $66,000 level, where also our daily candle would have closed bullish, we are going to see a correction at least all the way down here to our support area at exactly $63,800 to $64,400. And what happened, guys? After it got clear that we won't make the pump above the $66,000 level before the end of the day, the bears actually started immediately selling off their Bitcoin. We saw even a very big wick to the downside. And this now in total has resulted that we saw an actual correction from the all-time high all the way down here to the wick at the bottom of 9%. We luckily completely got bought up again because I told you already that I would scale down my long positions in the case that Chris from Crypto comes in. No, this is not a joke. I won't scale down my long positions if Chris from Crypto comes here into the room. But I would have scaled down my long positions if we would have closed, and I told you this in yesterday's video, if we would have closed this 4-hourly candle below this very important support. But luckily we got bought off, and so far we are holding the price levels fairly good with the today's price movement so far. The thing is that we are actually forming somewhat of a potential reversal here on the 1-hourly time frame right now. It is fairly ugly, but this could be accounted for a W pattern actually. So if I see a 1-hourly candle now closing here above the exact $65,400 level, I think actually the potential increases dramatically, that we will see a big reversal here, a rapid reversal to the upside, and we will see good buy volume coming in because we exactly bounced off support then with a beautiful W pattern at this exact moment. And especially the 4-hourly EMA ribbons are also a thing that I'm keeping an eye on right now because we haven't broken them to the downside yet. And this would actually happen if we break the 4-hourly EMA ribbons to the downside. This would happen also while breaking down simultaneously the very important $64,300 level of support to the downside. So I would actually change my mind here compared to my yesterday's video. I will actually already take some profits off my long positions if we close a 4-hourly candle below the $64,400 level and not anymore all the way down at the $63,800 level, because I just think the potential is fairly high that this price movement right now would actually then result in a small bear flag here for the Bitcoin price that would for sure push us below this important support. And that's why I'm very prepared to then scale down my longs a little bit, maybe even prematurely, just to make sure that I don't get caught up in a massive wick to the downside, because the next real support is not really coming in till we are reaching price levels of like $60,000, which also means that the daily time frame here would actually also correct here would correct inside of the daily EMA ribbons, which is most of the time the case when we see a bigger correction to the downside. So I'm very prepared for this scenario. That's why I'm keeping an eye on the 1-hourly time frame at the moment, and I'm making sure that for the case we are dumping below the $64,400 level, that I'm ready to scale down my trades and taking some profits off them, because as you guys know, I'm still in around $7.5 million worth of Bitcoin long positions. Now also guys, one thing I wanted to get you guys to think about again, we actually need to reach 30,000 followers here on the Codename V Secret Project V Twitter account, because there's not really a reason. It would just be amazing if we reach that, but we will actually post another announcement today on this Twitter profile, so make sure you follow it. Make sure to also join the Telegram group. It is actually, we just tweeted it, the fastest growing crypto community worldwide. Look at this, 11 minutes, already 200 retweets, already 500 likes. It's insane what is happening here with this crypto community, the Secret Project V community. It's insane. So if you don't want to miss out on this massive free airdrop that will happen to the most active community members that are now already retweeting the tweets, liking the tweets, following the Twitter, joining the Telegram channel, then make sure to, like I said, go into my description, follow the Twitter, click here on the Telegram link, and also be part of the community in Telegram. Either way, guys, we are actually going to see us in the next video. I hope you know exactly what price levels you should now keep an eye on. And other than that, guys, please subscribe, please activate the bell, leave a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. We are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.